Hey everyone, just getting to you here. So anyways, today's a little bit of a sunny day. A little bit. So anyways, got the 4th of July coming up here. And I hope everyone is going to the fireworks this year. But today I'm just kind of hanging out. But this is just a quick little video to check in with you guys. And today I've just been kind of listening to music and having a cold one a little bit. Well, I hope everyone is going to the fireworks this year on Saturday, the 4th of July. This is just a quick little video to check in with you guys about the 4th of July, and I hope everyone will enjoy it. Just a quick little video here to check in with you guys. But I'll talk to you after the 4th of July, and I'll probably will take some video of it and show you guys, the 4th of July. Alright, I'll talk to you guys next time. See ya.